Hi everyone, Leslie with Cream City Crates and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over 5 simple house hacks to upgrade your house right now. House hack number 1, simply replacing your cabinet hardware and cabinet knobs. House hack number 2, repainting old furniture. House hack number 3, power washing your sidewalks and any concrete. House hack number 4, replacing your old switch plates and covers with new ones. And lastly, house hack number 5 is giving your rooms a fresh coat of paint. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to check out my other do-it-yourself videos, and please subscribe and like if you'd like to see more videos like this.